Hi, this is Barb with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tip of the week. I'm so excited to be able to talk to you today about Smore. The district has purchased a Teams account, which means that all staff in HSD are able to utilize Smore for their newsletters. The first thing I want to talk about is if you already have a Smore account that you've previously purchased or used the free version in the past, you're going to want to go to your account to make sure that your account is with your school email address. If you go to account and billing, that's where you will see your email address. Your screen may look a little bit different than mine, but as long as you can confirm that your email address is your school account, then you will be all set. This will merge your previous account with your new HSD Teams account. Now, if you're new to Smore, you don't have to check that obviously, but everybody who is going to connect to the Teams account will need to go to the Join Smore link that has been distributed from the Tech Services Department. This link should come to you from your principal or supervisor. And if you just click on that and follow the prompts to connect to your Google HSD account, then you will be all set. Once you are in Smore and you are on the main page, you will see that there are lots of options for us. Today, I am just going to show you how to start a newsletter. There are lots of templates you can choose from if you go to the templates page. There are templates by educators and then templates by Smore. And you can search through there to find one that you like that has the background and the font that you would like to use. Otherwise, when you're on your main Smore page, there are some options that you have to use some templates, or you can start a new newsletter on your own. Another way to get there is to go up to the Start Newsletter. There are two different versions right now. The classic editor is the one that we've all been used to if we've used Smore in the past. And then there is the new beta one. I will be touching on the new editor on another tech tip. So today we're going to start with the classic editor. And with this, we can decide what type of newsletter we want to use, or we can just start from scratch. But most of us might be using a weekly update or a class type of newsletter. Once you click on the newsletter that you're desiring, it'll bring up your newsletter. You can go through the steps as they present them to you, or you can skip them. Now you have access to edit all of these pieces that are in this template. You can delete and add more stuff down at the bottom. And I just suggest that you start from the top and work your way down with all the information you need. You can change your design over here on the side to different types of font and backgrounds. They have a new pumpkin one. You could also change the background yourself under background, and there are so many backgrounds to choose from. You can also change the colors, the color scheme that you would like of different things. This changes the color to the background there. And then you can also change fonts. Once you get done editing, you're going to press Done Editing once it's all set the way you would like it to be. And then it's going to bring you to another screen. This is the screen in which you will get your link that you are going to be sharing. We are not using the mass notification system. And so in order to share your newsletter, you can copy or embed link, and then you will be sharing it through Remind, Synergy, Blackboard, or other tool that we have. We are not uploading email addresses into Smore.